Hey guys, welcome back to the Time Sticking YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I wanted to talk about the Hyt watch company and their newest watch line, the H5. Nowadays, liquid crystal displays are ubiquitous technology, including smartwatch devices. However, the Hyt watch company has recently taken the idea of liquid and fluidly incorporated it into mechanical timekeeping. So, without further ado, let's roll the intro, then we'll get right into talking about this new innovative watch line. If you don't already know who Hyt is, they're a wristwatch company comprised of 43 members as of the making of this video, that just began in 2012. They build hybrid mechanical movements that use liquid to tell the time. On their unique pieces, two pistons or valves release two different types of liquid throughout the day, and both liquids repulse one another to create pressure. The timed movement of this pressure via the mechanically regulated pistons creates a consistent representation of time on their display. Tech like this has made Hyt an iconoclastic brand among older Swiss watch houses. In fact, they're the only watch company on the watchmaking scene with this kind of flair, which has made them a buzzworthy group in their short 8 years of official production. Hyt has already released a few different models since 2012, and they are the Skull, H0, H1, H2, H3, and the H4. All of these releases have been met with warm praises from industry professionals from all around the world. Debuting at Watch Time, New York City in October 2019, Hyt's most recent H5 model was met with a similar welcome. It sports their brand new Caliber 501 movement. This movement incorporates a special camshaft that allows the user to manipulate the liquid display time. The H5's gears, like their predecessors, regulate the pressures which run the liquid representation of hours. On this particular model, however, the liquid colors are either in black or green. This aesthetic choice is new to the brand. There are only 25 of each color scheme for the H5, making it a debut of just 50 watches. Needless to say, it's a highly limited release. Exclusivity is surely part of the allure of these pieces though, because of the rare vision and high production cost involved in their creation. It's been several months since the release of Hyt's H5 watch, and there doesn't appear to be an immediate follow-up coming in 2020. Every Hyt requires up to 3 years or more of engineering and production to be born. What's more, the industry is currently facing slowdowns due to the global pandemic. With all of these factors in mind, it will be important to remain patient for any new releases from H5. Hopefully, the gap between the H5 releases and any new pieces doesn't erode any enthusiasm as time flows forward. Until their next release, we'll continue to keep an eye out for more Hyt news, so it doesn't go rushing by unnoticed. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, make sure to give it a like, and if you'd like to see more content from us, you can subscribe right here. And as always, if you need any help repairing your watch, the link to our website is right here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.